In this module, we're going to talk about three important topics that every investor-focused agent needs to understand: client representation and support, building the right team around you, and maintaining strong ethical standards in your business. When you work with investors, your role goes beyond simply helping someone buy or sell a property. Investors are looking for guidance, insight, and reliable support throughout the entire investment process. They want someone who understands their goals and can help them make informed decisions. Let's start with client representation and support. When you represent an investor, you're not just showing houses. You're helping evaluate opportunities. Investors want to know whether a property makes financial sense. They care about numbers like rental income, operating expenses, cash flow, and long-term appreciation. This means your role becomes much more analytical than emotional. Traditional buyers may fall in love with a kitchen or a backyard, but investors focus on performance. They want to know whether the property will produce income and how it fits into their overall investment strategy. One way to provide value is by helping investors analyze deals. You can gather key information about the property, estimate rental potential, research neighborhood demand, and identify any factors that could impact the investment. When you present this information clearly, investors can make faster and more confident decisions. Another important part of client support is communication. Investors often move quickly when they see an opportunity. That means they rely on agents who can respond promptly, provide accurate information, and help them navigate the process efficiently. The better you understand your client's investment criteria, the more valuable you become. Some investors focus on long-term rental income, while others prefer renovation projects or properties they can reposition for higher value. When you know their goals, you can filter opportunities and only bring them deals that align with their strategy. This level of support builds trust, and once investors trust you, they tend to come back again and again as they continue expanding their portfolios. Now let's talk about building a team. Successful investors rarely work alone, and neither should you. One of the most valuable things you can do as an investor agent is connect your clients with the professionals they need to complete deals successfully. This often includes contractors, property managers, lenders, inspectors, attorneys, and insurance professionals. Each of these people plays an important role in helping investors acquire, improve, finance, and manage their properties. When you build strong relationships with reliable professionals, you create a support network that benefits everyone involved. Your investors gain access to trusted resources, and your team members gain new business opportunities through your referrals. Over time, this network becomes one of your biggest competitive advantages. Investors appreciate agents who can help them solve problems and connect them with the right people when challenges arise. For example, an investor who is renovating a property may need a contractor quickly. Another investor might need a property manager to handle tenants and maintenance. When you already have those relationships in place, you can step in and provide solutions immediately. This not only helps your clients succeed, but it also strengthens your reputation as a knowledgeable and resourceful professional in the investment community. Finally, let's talk about ethics. Ethical behavior is the foundation of a successful and sustainable real estate business. When working with investors, it's essential to be transparent, honest, and professional in every transaction. Investors rely heavily on the information you provide. If you exaggerate numbers, overlook potential risks, or present incomplete data, you can damage both the investment and your credibility. Instead, focus on providing accurate information and realistic expectations. If a property has challenges or risks, be upfront about them. Investors appreciate honesty because it allows them to evaluate the deal properly. Another key aspect of ethics is avoiding conflicts of interest and always acting in your client's best interest. Your role as an agent is to represent your client faithfully and provide guidance that supports their goals. Maintaining ethical standards also protects your long-term reputation. In the investor world, word travels quickly. When people know that you operate with integrity and professionalism, they are far more likely to refer others to you. In the end, working with investors successfully comes down to three things: supporting your clients with strong analysis and communication, building a reliable team that helps them execute their strategies, and maintaining the highest ethical standards in every deal. When you consistently deliver on these three areas, you position yourself as more than just an agent. you become a trusted advisor and a long-term partner in your client's investment success. And when your clients succeed, your business grows right along with them. If you'd like help applying these strategies in your own real estate business, we'd be happy to talk with you. You can schedule a one-on-one strategy call using the link in the description below. We also host a free weekly training called Monday Night Live, where we share practical strategies for working with investors, generating leads, and building a stronger real estate business. You're invited to join us there as well. The registration link is also in the description. We look forward to seeing you on the next training.